Hi everyone.
Happy.
How are you feeling today?
Happy.
You're happy. What about you, Nathan?
Uh,
You happy?
Are you happy or you're sad?
happy.
Ikaw, Daddy, how are you feeling, Daddy?
I don't know. I'm chilled.
You're thrilled? How did you feel when I told you earlier that I am so sad, Daddy?
Simply, I'm sad.
You're sad?
Yeah.
I'm really very sad, Daddy. Did you know why?
Why?
Because I was crying when I went to the dentist. Nathan, listen to mommy's story. I went to the dentist that
Are you gonna tell me the secret now?
yeah, I will show you the secret. Tapos nag-cry ako, Nathan. Mommy cried. I'm so
Then,
sad, Nathan.
Why?
you listen to mommy.
Kasi masakit pa rin yung ngipin ko dito. That's why. So, what I did, because I am so sad, Mommy Ems told me that I should buy a
Gising ba?
PT.
PT daw mo. Alam mo yung PT?
Ano PT?
Ano yung PT?
Ano PT?
Yung pang-test ng may baby ba sa tummy ni mommy? That's a test.
Di ba you told me, Nathan, you want a baby in my tummy?
Last
Yeah.
night.
Why?
Cause it's so cute.
Huh?
What?
It's so cute.
It's so cute. Okay, so are you gonna take care of the baby?
Yes.
Okay.
I want my baby to watch Autonauts.
Oh, do you want a boy or a girl?
Boy, I'm exercising, Mama.
What about you, Kuya Gab? Do you
I
want
want a
boy
girl.
or a girl?
A girl. Baby cousin.
Ikaw, Daddy.
Any girl
Anything?
Girl because we have boys already.
Oh. So I'm gonna make the secret
Mom,
now.
ako.
The announcement.
Tell, ako na naman.
Sige,
I'm gonna tell sige, Nathan, go.
But I'm too busy.
What?
Still exercising.
You're so busy?
Yeah. Is it something white?
Yeah, it's something white.
It's,
So we are.
it's white.
I'm going to put that there, and you are going to open it.
Is that a secret?
Yeah.
If it's one line, no baby. If it's two line, there's baby.
Okay.
Line, there's a baby. But if it's two line, there's a baby.
Okay.
Okay, open natin.
Go, everyone.
Ready?
Kayong tatlo.
1, 2, 3. Open mo natin. Oh no.
What's that, Nathan? Let me see.
Four.
How many lines? Nathan. How many lines?
No, we're like gonna be my cousins, cause it's like for like my cousins.
3 lang. 3 pa. 1, 2, 3.
Please.
You want 4, Kuya Gab?
Like my cousins.
Like your cousins?
Two
Two.
lines.
2 lines. Hindi yan 2 babies. 1 baby lang yan. Totoo yan, mami? Kailan yan? Ano sabi mo, mami? May baby siya.
Thank you.
Wait.
Aww.
Sabi mo, mami. Kaya
Thank you.
bakit ka thank you?
Wait. I don't like to stick kasi meron ng baby.
Are
What's
you
this?
happy that you have a baby?
Yeah.
No, you should take care for mommy kasi meron na siyang baby. Nathan, you should not let mommy be stressed or angry or sad. Mommy, you're happy.
Oh, may baby na tayo.
My baby.
You're happy. Kaya ka, balik ka. Ay, wag mo ikot. Yung baby, Nathan.
Thank you.
Yung baby.
You have
Look.
a baby brother or a sister?
Sister.
Ikaw, Nathan.
Okay.
Brother or sister?
Brother.
Daddy wants
I
a
just-
baby girl.
I just.
Because you already 2 boys. We need a girl, right? How about 2 girls?
What?
How about 2 girls, kambal? Gusto mo? Twins?
Dad. His name is Johnny.
Johnny?
Yeah, Johnny.
Ikaw kaya, Gab?
My
Pag baby girl, anong pangalan mo?
Susie.
Susie.
Yeah.
Why Susie?
This is like a sheep name.
Sheep?
Yeah,